This car was a sold order build, purchased brand new by a Ford technician out of Andrews Ford in Rockwall, Texas. Not a demo, not a program car. He ordered it in special order black, a color not even available from the factory that year, making it one of only 19 cars ever finished in this exact spec. And here's a kicker. It's never been restored. It's still wearing its original interior plastic wrap, the dealer floor mats, and the original window sticker that's been sitting in the glass for over 5 decades. This Cyclone has only 4,459 miles on the clock, and it shows. Every nut, every bolt, every panel feels frozen in time. This Cyclone spoiler isn't just rare, it's irreplaceable. Thanks for riding along. More cool content only on Muscars with Eric.